Since the waiters will often share the tables, then it might be a different person bringing you your food. So then you can say, a salada é para mim.
A salada é para mim. A carne é para ele. The meat is for him. And o peixe é para ela. The fish is for her. And
Assuming the woman's not going to eat a steak.
a carne é para ela. And why do you think they never remember who ordered what?
Because they're not working for tips.
Oh, right. Okay.
So in the middle of the meal, maybe the waiter will come to your table and want to know if everything's okay. Está tudo bem?
Está tudo ótimo.
Okay, so I asked, is everything good? And then you said, yes, it's awesome.
Yeah.
Everything's awesome.
Está tudo ótimo.
Mm-hmm.
Or I may say, o bife está mal passado.
Oh.
The steak is rare.
Or raw, too
Raw, yeah.
undercooked. But hopefully your food's going to be okay. So maybe if you're in the middle of your meal and well, in my case, if I already finished my beer, which I probably have, then I might want another one. So I could just say, queria outra cerveja.
Yeah.
So I would like another beer. And then I would always, of course, say, por favor, because I'm Canadian and I can't stop
Por favor.
being polite.
Even shorter than that, like, outra cerveja, por favor. Okay, so you finished your main meal, prato principal,
Okay?
right?
The main dish.
And for us, entrada is appetizer. And at least when I go to an English-speaking country, I make that mistake. In my mind, entree is our entrada, which is your appetizer.
Right, super confusing. So just remember, the main dish, prato principal, the principal dish, and that the appetizer is entrada, because it's like you're entering the dining experience.
Exactly.
Yeah, entrada.
Entrada. And then you finish your prato principal and you want dessert. You want sobremesa.
Mm-hmm.
All right? So the waiter may come at the end and ask if you want something else.
Quer mais alguma coisa?
And I want sobremesa. Sim, vou querer sobremesa. Or vamos, the group, querer sobremesa.
A salada é para ele, o peixe é para mim. Era outra cerveja, se faz favor. Entrada. Está tudo bem? Prato principal.
To really motivate yourself, you have to get specific. I want to learn Portuguese is a wish, but it has no power and emotion behind it. It almost sounds like an obligation. What's the real emotional reason why you want to learn? Do you want to be able to have a conversation with your in-laws? Do you want to experience Portuguese music and literature more deeply? Do you just want to turn on the TV and understand what's going on? Do you want to navigate a home purchase without feeling like some details are getting lost in translation? These reasons will change over time. So every once in a while, it's important to check in with yourself and remember why you are learning Portuguese. This will help sharpen your focus and give you that extra boost of motivation when you remember that you're working towards a bigger goal.